naglalaro ng volleyball to.
Basketball po ang pinanggalingan. Quick play and Magalaman, the former. No look set by Adahar. Papunta kayo.
Mga blockers.
Hindi mo yung no look set, oh. O saan siya nakatingin?
Parang nag-print.
Yambaw.
Tahimik lang eh.
Oo. Isa lang naman yata naging maik. Combination! Hernandez. Nga gumraduate. Ewan ko nga si Natnat, kung si Van Van kung kasama pa rin eh. Pero that's a quick attack for Magalaman.
Pero pag tumalon, parang nagiging 6-3, 6-4.
Naman. Oh, ito, running attack ni Layog kontra Pelo na naman. Magalaman! Slam dunk! First serve to UST, but the first point goes to LaSalle. Courtesy of Eric Lai. Adahar, quick play! Paano pa nasingit ni Magalaman yun? Alabar. G-Boy with the left hand. G-Boy again. Inangat. Adahar!
Hindi na nabantay.
Sa nangyayari as we take a look at it again.
Tsaka maririnig natin yung sinabi ni Coach Oji.
With a full front line, Adahar serving for the match. And he gets it!
Nagkatinginan si Macam at si G-Boy de Vega.
Gensila with a good serve right there. How about naman ang quick attack?
Oh, ang haba nito. Tignan mo to, Benji. Oh. Lagpas ulo, lagpas dibdib.
Trying to be quick about it, LaSalle, but of course, quick awareness naman para rito. Whoa! Grabe. Bling.
Communication again.
So they're going to be trying this attack once again. And it's it. Parang napakihinaan na ng loob yung EAC. Pagpasok ng second set.
Correct.
Oh, how about that combination play for LaSalle?
Mo patatakbuhin not only offensive patterns, but the defensive patterns.
Tama, ganun na naman siya, no? Rather, I'm sorry, that's Joshua Magalaman. Subok ulit, Tabuga. Let's pick up here for LaSalle.
Ooh, good save!
Yes! How about that effort by Tabuga? Oh, ito drop.
Nice hit there.
Serving 8. Sets it back set. Wow!
Ganda ng back set na yun ni
Rapa with a good serve. Magalaman! T3. Joshua!
Nicely done there by Adahar. Oo.
Back set to Adahar.
Ooh, good dig.
Grabe rin. Yung effort ito si Galila.
Good push from Marapo. Wow! Great move. Yun, no?
See how this one is. And that's in.
Yes.
Adahar, one hand set.
Wow! I mean, look at this hit. Isolation play, oh. Wala siyang blocker at all. Hiningi ni Rodriguez.
Tsaka parang he's being outplayed by Adahar for LaSalle, who was turning out to be really effective, especially sabi nga natin.
Kanya na hindi, tsaka niya drain up ball.
Ooh! Oras.
Oo.
At sakto na yun, kahit papunta kay Josh Magalaman, o makalahatin man lang yung error o mabawasan lang man ng kahit 4 yun. Sila pa lamang eh.
Totoo yan. Yan.
Oh, tumakat pa yung bola. Nakaka-atake yung UST, siya rin Mandal. Had to be creative. Adahar!
Regalo na para kay Adahar.
Si Popoy Colinares, I believe that there's JJ Rodriguez.
Atin.
Sa sigurado, back in Italy where Alas Pilipinas having their training camp. As that one will go.
Tuloy-tuloy. Naputol, sariling putol ng momentum.
Back row, Eugene Gloria almost. Reset. Adahar.
Good decision there. Magandang set, magandang atake.
Huwag panggigilan yung bola. There was a check. And if you're UST, you're expecting a lot more from that guy. What a hit coming from Yuri.
Mendoza, kaya nandoon kay Layug yung defense, ibabaw na.
Yoyong Mendoza.
Down first ball, you go to Mendoza, who's playing very well dito sa set na to. And Lasal, 2-0.
Kasi first ball na naman ng UST problema to. Pero sabi ni Yoyong Mendoza, siguruhin natin to.
Psychological yan panakauna ka ng 20.
Baligtad. Yung attacker ng Isete, malayo lang si Sally. The post shot no good. Adahar na naman!
Adahar, emergency attack, was able to create one.
Adahar, 1-2 for Lasal. Hindi kami nagugutom every time we do a coverage. Apat na games.
Hernandez. Grabe yung pagka ganun yung Sally, halos ilista mo na yung puntos.
Mendoza.
That was an excellent set by Adahar. May konting...
It's right there again from back row. Kanina for UST. And then that block ball still in play. Backcourt. Ng FEU. Attacker from the back row. Yun na.
Isang exhaustion na nararamdaman. Especially this is already the champ ka doon sa tamang oras. But Adahar doing a 1-2
going. Baka magtuloy-tuloy.
Hindi naramdaman ng FEU.
Player, diba?
Echo Adahar once again with that set.
FEU, so kailangan lilituhin sila. And look at that. Look at the blockers. Hindi sila sabay because
Who's really going to dictate the tempo? Who's going to first create the separation? Maybe let's see how Lasal will respond and Yoyong Mendoza.
Singgalaw ng attacker.
Coming up a timeout, getting the point. Drake Saavedra goes cross court. Hernandez was right there. Yoyong Mendoza for Lasal.
Tigil yung volleyball. Now, we're back and we're alive. More than ever, ang daming nanonood.
And of course, by ito si Magalaman block of the set. That's more Adahar than it was Magalaman. That's our clear for LaSalle's title quest in the season 87 of the UAAP.
And he's also a best middle blocker already.
Oh! Echo Adahar says enough!
Literal.
Center ang makakuha pa ng ating Jannan. Attack of the set. Hot pot ba? Attack. They go to a combination play, but Adahar is able to get the ball.